We're going to use Visual Basic to build a simple application, which is a software calculator. And there are actually a lot of environments for Visual Basic, different environments by Microsoft. I'm using the simplest one, which is Visual Basic Express. You can download it from the internet, and you will have it on your laptop like this. And I will start it by double clicking on it. Okay, here I'm going to build a new project. So I will say new project, go to file, say new project, and give it a name. I will call it soft calculator. Okay. Here we have what's called Form 1. Form 1 is basically the main program that will call all the subroutines and the procedures to build your program. So I will go to properties. Okay, I will change the name into calculator. When you hit the enter button, you will see that the word calculator appeared on the form 1. Now, any arithmetic operation or any logical operation is built by using 2 operands and 1 operation sign. For example, if the addition, I want to add 2 plus 3, then the first operand is 2, the second operand is 3, and the operation is add or plus. So we need 3 boxes in this case to enter the data and get the result. So I will go to the toolbox and choose text boxes. So I have text box here. Okay, I will copy it, Control C, and say Control V. Control V. Now the first box, it actually will carry the first operand. The second box will carry the second operand, and the third box will carry the result. So to remind myself, I will use labels to indicate the functionality of each box. So I'm going to have label and I will change it into operand 1. And you go and make another label, same. So this will be operand 2. And I will go to the toolbox and get another label. This will be the result actually. So I will change it into result here. Okay, now we're ready to start adding functionality to this program. So I'm going to use button, and here, this is the first button. I will call it, change the name into add. And Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. This will be subtract. Control V. This will be multiply. And this will be the division. Okay, so let us add code now. So in the first one, which is button 1, I will say the result is text box. Remember, the result is text box 3. So I say text box 3 dot text equal the value stored in text box 1 dot text plus the value stored in text box 2 dot text. Okay, let us test this. If I add here 2 and add here 3, and when I say add, click the button, add, the result is 5, so it's working. Now we go back and add more functionality. For example, here subtraction. I don't have to type anything, just copy this one, Control C, and insert it here in the private subroutine, and change the operation to subtraction. That's it. And you go back here and you go to multiply, Control V, and change the operation into multiplication. Go back here and division, you Control V, and you make it division. Okay. Now let us test run this program. Okay, I will say here 10 and here like 2. If you add, you get 12. If you subtract, you get 8. If you multiply, you get 20. And if you divide, you get 5. So it's working. Very easy. And if you want to have some picture here, like a company logo or something like that, so I will go and add picture box. Where is the picture box? Big picture box. Picture box. Yeah, right here. I have to tell you that you have to resize the picture that you're going to insert it here before you insert it, otherwise it will be too big. So I will go and add, say, choose image. I will go from local resource. I say import. I'll take this one. It was resized to make it a little bit small, and say okay. Now I have it here. Okay, maybe I should really increase the size a little bit here. Okay, that's it. Now you have a calculator. What else you can do? Okay, the other functions, I can tell you lots of functions now you can add to this calculator, and you can do it yourself. For example, y to the power x. Okay, let me give you some functions. For example, here if I say Control C, Control V, you can have something like that. Okay, you can have y raised to the power x. For example, okay, y to the raised to the power x is okay. You can have a lot of function. Control V. What function you can have? Log. Log and whatever you want. Okay, we'll stop right here and see what you can come up with yourself. That's it.